name's Eric Sprouse. We're working on a 1997 Carrera S 993 that I bought new in November of '98.
Albie Blanco, General Manager of Hendrick Porsche. I've been with Hendrick now 18 years. I've been with Porsche 15 of the 18 years.
My name is Jim Burton. First time I was with the dealership for 16 years, and this year it's been since 2011, so we're right at 15 now.
When I bought it, it had 3,081 miles on it. It still smelled like a brand new car. And I bought it to drive, and after all this time, it's never been tracked, it's never been wrecked, never been smoked in. It's never been in a garage either.
It's cool to see a car that is 30 years old, still on the road today, and truly loved. And it makes my heart feel so good because, again, it's a car that I learned how to drive a manual transmission on. So there's a nice little kind of symbiotic relationship I have with that car, and it's very near and dear to my heart. So to be able to do that for Eric and that car, it's kind of special. We really wanted to get the paint work done and right first. So that car's going through the body shop, making sure that all the paint is perfect, as that was kind of the biggest eyesore in the car. Next, we are going to tackle the interior. We're going to be ripping out all the interior and then repairing all of that and replacing the leather that needs to be done. And lastly, obviously, the engine.
I tore the engine apart, and we found out that the oil pump was locking up. Well, that was news to me. Started before that, of course, I was taking the cams apart and found that there was a lot of rocker arm wear, which was a big surprise. So what we found severe wear back here in the camshafts on both sides. But once we saw the wear there and then got all the way down to the bottom, we were concerned about a lot of machine work with the engine. At some point we were like, well, how much is a reman engine? And that's when we decided to go with that.
Well, I mean, I trust him explicitly, and if he tells me something needs to be done, I believe him, and he'll show you. It's huge to have trust in somebody working on something like that.
I think one of the biggest concerns in my mind is that I don't want to disappoint Eric. I mean, I'd love to see the car like it just rolled off the assembly line too. I want him to be able to sit in the driver's seat and hit the switch and it to sound like it did when it was brand new, and just, you know, new car smell. I'd like for him to get that same thing, and I'd like, you know, I just don't want to disappoint, you know?
All right, Eric, are you ready?
I'm ready.
So
ready.
We want to reintroduce you to your 1997 911. As you requested, you wanted it back to showroom perfect, how you picked it up in November 11th, 1998 with 3,000 miles on it.
That's right.
I think we did a little bit better. Hopefully it has 0 miles on it to you. Okay?
That's right.
All right, here we go.
Unbelievable. That's unbelievable.
Awesome. We were happy to do this for you and make your dream a reality.
Unbelievable.
So.
And Jim did.
Yes.
That's the fun part.
But go ahead, hop in, see what you think.
I got to do that.
Keys in the glove box.
Sounds just like it used to. Unbelievable. Smells great. I can't believe that. Can I fire it up?
Yeah.
Keys in the glove box.
That's the ignition.
Yeah.
Okay.